Yeah. The pump's running, but the heater is not. Because it's not completely done yet. Someone's supposed to come out tomorrow and hook up the electricity. There's the pipe. But there's a little more work to do before this thing can get done. Damn, I can't believe this broke. Actually, what I can do is probably get some metal clamps and put on the back of this, because this thing there's the air compressor. I'm still working. I'm trying to wait on it. Okay, closed now. Problem with that garage door opener, it don't really close very well. This one closes very well, yeah. It's not exactly warm outside, it's a little chilly in May. What? Who put this there? That don't go there. I don't know why people put the crowbar like hanging on the ladder. That could fall and hurt somebody. I don't like people fucking around in the garage, especially dumbass people who don't know what they're doing. Dumbass fucking people, I swear to God. Maria acts like she's dumb every time. She probably is. I don't know. Give them. Yeah. It's gonna rain. It's starting to rain right now. I can feel raindrops. The grill is covered up. That's a good sign. Probably won't get this thing hooked up until some like Tuesday. We're getting the power hooked up tomorrow. Thing about doing a little project with that condensation hose, probably like get some little C clamps go around, and it's, so it could easily be attached. Let's look at it some more. They did a good job putting in the wire and everything, but it's not hooked up yet. what I consider doing is probably route it underneath the. This is a big unit. It's big. Yeah. And I got here's the rest of the stuff right there. Those have to be put to be underneath the. Like Mary Ray was talking about using them to put on the pump. That's not what it's for. It came with this. Mary always making excuses. I don't really care for her that much because she acts like she's a smart person. Nah, I don't think so. Jake might be smart, yeah, but that's his mother, I think. Well, I'm going inside. This is the last record.